In this video, we'll show you how to replace the front sway bar link on your Honda Pilot. This is located in the front of the vehicle and behind the wheel. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we can remove our lug nuts with a 22mm. We'll set those off to the side. It's good to use a magnet tray so you don't kick them all over the place. There's a small lip on the back side of the sway bar link. I've put a set of locking pliers on that lip to hold it still while I loosen this. You can go ahead and remove the nut with a 17mm. I'm going to use a set of locking pliers. On the back side, there's a small collar. Clamp those onto that. And we can remove the nut with a 17mm. Go ahead and remove the nut and our pliers. We can remove the sway bar link. We'll get the sway bar link attached to the sway bar, and we'll start on that nut. We can get the upper portion of the sway bar link into the strut. We'll get that one started on. I'm going to use an 18mm wrench to hold the back side of the stud. And we can snug this down. I'm going to use an 18mm wrench to hold the back side of the stud, and we can snug this down. And we'll torque these to 58 foot-pounds. We'll do the same to the bottom. When installing our lug nuts, I want to hold in on the bottom. That way the rim is seated against the hub. If you turn one lug nut all the way in, it'll hold it for you. And now we can snug those down. We'll torque this to 94 foot-pounds in a star pattern using a 22mm.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.